Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Katholena with the evening news. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone of Major Dhyan Sports University in Meerut. Union Health Minister reviews public health preparedness to fight COVID-19 and national vaccination progress. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit northeastern states of Manipur and Tripura tomorrow. And Power Department informs on total power shutdown in some Northern Angami Areas. As India marches towards administering 150 crore vaccine doses against COVID-19, news about the fresh corona variants is also causing concern. In this situation, we appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. Please follow these 3 simple steps: wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today laid the foundation stone of Major Dhyan Sports University in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, to inculcate sporting culture and establish world-class sporting infrastructure in the country. Addressing a huge public meeting, Modi said Meerut is always there to inspire and lead the nation, whether it is by giving life for the country or earning honor for the country through sports. AIR correspondent reports that the sports university will be established at an estimated cost of about 700 crore rupees. The sports university will be equipped with modern and state-of-the-art sports infrastructure, including synthetic hockey ground, football ground, basketball, volleyball, lawn tennis court, swimming pool. The university will also house facilities for shooting, gymnastics, weightlifting, archery, canoeing, and kayaking, among other facilities. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Manvia, today reviewed public health preparedness to COVID-19 and national COVID-19 vaccination progress with state and union territories. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnupom also joined the meeting. The meeting discussed the rising cases of the Omicron variant and the recent decisions to roll out vaccination for the age group 15 to 18 years and precautionary dose for the identified vulnerable categories. Dr. Manvia noted that globally, countries are experiencing 3 to 4 times surge in COVID-19 cases in comparison to their earlier peaks. The Omicron variant being highly transmissible, a high surge in case can overwhelm the medical system. He therefore advised the states to leave no stone unturned in ramping up infrastructure to manage a high surge so that India escapes unscathed from this episode of COVID-19. The Union Minister stressed on the continued need to follow COVID-appropriate behavior, along with renewed and stringent focus on containment measures for addressing the present surge. Underscoring the critical importance of vaccination drive, he said we must focus on planning with regard to the 15 to 18 age group vaccination and precautionary doses for eligible beneficiaries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit the northeastern states of Manipur and Tripura tomorrow. In Manipur, the Prime Minister will inaugurate 13 projects worth around 1,850 crore rupees and lay the foundation stone of 9 projects worth around 2,950 crore rupees. These projects relate to diverse sectors such as road infrastructure, drinking water supply, health, urban development, housing, information technology, skill development, art and culture, among others. The Prime Minister will inaugurate the construction of steel bridge built over Barak River on NH 37 that will enhance seamless year-round connectivity to Silchar from Imphal and reduce traffic congestion. he will lay the foundation stone of construction of 5 national highway projects to be built at a cost of more than 1,700 crore. The Prime Minister will also dedicate to the people of Manipur 2,387 mobile towers built at a cost of around 1,100 crore rupees. This will be a major step in further boosting the mobile connectivity of the state. In Tripura, Modi will inaugurate the new integrated terminal building of Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport, built at a cost of about 450 crore, and also launch key initiatives including Project Mission 100 of Vidya Jyoti schools. This news comes to you from All India Radio Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Power Department has informed that there will be a total shutdown of power in certain areas on the Northern Angami Area with effect from tomorrow in view of the stringing work of 132 kV DC transmission line from Jadima to Nagaland University near Jadima village. Subdivisional Officer, Transmission Subdivision Kohima informed that the total shutdown will be from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. from tomorrow till this Saturday. Power supply will be affected in areas including Peja, Nerhema, Chepobozu, Chechama, Nachama, Botsa area, Tophema and Torogunyu. Public have been requested to extend cooperation and bear the inconvenience during this period. Nagaland today reported one fresh COVID-19 positive case from Dimapur. Total COVID-19 positive case detected in the state stands at 32,202. The state also recorded 2 recoveries, increasing the total recovery to 30,370. Total active COVID-19 case in the state is currently 60. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today visited the indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant being constructed at a Cochin shipyard. He was briefed about various features of the aircraft carrier by senior officials of the shipyard and the Indian Navy. The visiting dignitary spent about 45 minutes at the shipyard. The aircraft carrier, constructed at a cost of about 23,000 crore rupees, has a displacement of 40,000 tons and can accommodate 1,700 naval personnel. It has a top speed of 28 knots and can carry over 30 fighter jets and helicopters on board. The aircraft carrier is expected to be handed over to the Indian Navy by August this year. Government has said that media reports claiming that India has missed vaccination targets are misleading. Union Health Ministry said in the fight against global pandemic COVID-19, India's national COVID-19 vaccination program has been one of the most successful and largest vaccination programs compared with the many developed Western nations. The ministry said media report is misleading and does not represent the complete picture. And a total of 1,525 cases of Omicron variant of COVID-19 have been reported so far in the country. Out of these cases, 560 patients have already recovered. Maximum number of 460 cases have been reported from Maharashtra, followed by Delhi with 351 cases. Omicron cases have been reported from 23 states and union territories. Health and Family Welfare Ministry today said over 145 crore 44 lakh doses of COVID vaccines have been administered in the country under the nationwide vaccination drive. The ministry said more than 25 lakh 75,000 COVID vaccine doses were administered in the last 24 hours. The country has reported over 27,000 new COVID cases in the last 24 hours. Currently, India's active case load is over 1,22,000. The ministry said more than 68 crore COVID-19 tests have been conducted so far. To end the news, the headlines here again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone of major Dhyan Sports University in Meerut. Union Health Minister reviews public health preparedness to fight COVID-19 and national vaccination progress. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit northeastern states of Manipur and Tripura tomorrow. And Power Department informs on total power shutdown in some Northern Angami areas. That's all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.